Babe, what do you think of the sunset tonight?
It's really pretty. Like me.
Oh my god. Oh, cut that.
While I relax on my outdoor patio.
Oh, okay. It's your outdoor patio, not just mine. I got it.
Yeah.
Lala, are you serious right now?
Please help me, 911.
Here we go. Look at my skin glowing. Oh god.
Like, look, this is what is letting me use to cook pasta. Like, this is ridiculous.
You don't even know where we're at.
What is this called again?
It's called
Vasquez.
Vasquez? It's called Vasquez.
Vasquez.
Vasquez Rocks. Okay,
Rocks.
that's where we're at. There she goes! There she goes again. Grab the GoPro. Grab the GoPro. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it. Grab it.
Just climb up.
Yeah, we're gonna like
Okay.
we'll come up this way now.
It's a camera, isn't it?
Oh no, you're taking a video of yourself.
1,
2, 3.
Ah! We should turn like really fast.
Oh my god.
Who taught me that to pronounce it as tortoise? I think you told me. Stop! Stop recording. I'm like getting so self-conscious.